Today, I'll walk you through how to copy and move records between tables in Airtable. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. Begin by opening your browser and heading over to Airtable. You'll want to log into your account by clicking the Login button in the upper right corner. Once you're in, open the base that contains the tables you're working with. This is your workspace, where all your data lives, so take a moment to find the right base before moving forward. Now, navigate to the source table. That's the table where your data is currently stored. Whether you're copying a few records or moving a large batch, the first step is selecting the records you want to transfer. You'll see checkboxes on the far left of each row. Simply click the checkbox next to each record you want to include. If you need to select everything, you can use the top checkbox to select all visible records. Once your records are selected, copy them by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Alternatively, you can right-click and choose Copy from the menu. Now switch over to the destination table, the table where you want these records to land. Click on the first empty row or cell in that table to set your paste location. Then use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to paste. Airtable will instantly create new records in the destination table, pulling in all the field data you copied. If your goal is to move the records rather than just copy them, go back to the source table and delete the original records. But before you do that, always double-check the destination table to make sure everything landed correctly. It's also important that both tables have compatible field structures, meaning matching field types and names, so your data transfers cleanly without errors. You can use views or filters in the source table to select only the specific records you need, which is a great time saver. And if you're moving a large dataset, test the process with just a few rows first to confirm everything works before committing to a full move. That's all there is to it. You now know how to copy and move records between tables in Airtable, keeping your data organized and under your control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.